How to use SEMrush on ClickBank for affiliate marketing. Want to crush affiliate marketing on ClickBank? Then combine it with the power of SEMrush. Here's how it works. First, pick a niche from ClickBank, maybe fitness, finance, or self-help. Then go to SEMrush. Join SEMrush for free using the link in the description. Now use the keyword overview tool to search for that niche. SEMrush will show you how competitive it is, the CPC, and trending queries. Use the keyword magic tool to dig deeper. Find long-tail keywords with low competition, but high buying intent. These are perfect for affiliate blogs and landing pages. Next, use Domain Overview to spy on existing affiliate sites in your niche. You'll see which keywords they rank for and what backlinks they have. That's the kind of insight you need to beat them. You can also use traffic analytics to check where your competitors get their visitors from. Google, YouTube, even forums. Once your content is built around the right keywords and optimized using SEMrush's site audit tool, you're ready to drive traffic that converts. Join SEMrush for free using the link in the description and start turning ClickBank offers into real commissions.